Hi, my name is Cindy Mattingly, and I'm talking to you from Healing Way Center. We have this amazing event coming up May 5th and 6th, and we are hosting Dr. Wong and Dr. Carolyn Krusinski, and they're going to be talking to us about Taoist principles and how to balance your lifestyle. So today I thought I would share with you my takeaway from these workshops that I have attended. And so I'm sharing with you one of the visuals that they give in the workbook. And I get to introduce to you some new words. The first one is the seeker, the next is the discoverer, we have the explorer and the adventurer. And the best way for me to share is, for instance, as a seeker, I love new information, I want to learn about it, but sometimes I take so many different pieces of new information, then I have a lot of balls in the air. So that would cause my lifestyle to be a little out of balance. Another place would be the explorer. So that would mean that you would go off and explore, but not really with a plan in mind. Now that's not something that I normally do, but it would be helpful in the balance. So these words have been very helpful in me for contemplating ways to balance my lifestyle. So I would encourage you to come and seek, discover, explore, and adventure with us on May 5th and 6th. Thank you.